Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover objective mechanical. This is part 1 of this series. In this series I will cover all subjects, and this is important for upcoming NHPC JEE exam, Tehri Dam and UPSSC and SSC JEE exam and other PSU. This is very important. Maximum questions already previously asked in various exams. So first question, if a material expands freely due to heating, it will develop expands freely due to heating. So it will develop no stress. Answer is C. If there is any restriction, then it will develop thermal stress. No restriction, it's expanding freely, so no stress will develop. Next question, the property of a metal by virtue of which it can be beaten or rolled into plates. See definition of malleability. Property of a metal by virtue of which it can be beaten or rolled into plates. Malleability definition is property of a metal which permits the material to be extended in all directions without rupture. So answer is A. Next question, if the radius of wire stretched by a load is doubled, then Young's modulus will be, Young's modulus is a material property, so it won't change, so remain unaffected. Answer is D. This is very important questions, star mark questions. The relation between E modulus of elasticity and K bulk modulus of elasticity is how much? So relation between E Young's modulus, then G modulus of rigidity, then K bulk modulus, and Poisson's ratio mu equal to 1 by m. Three relations are there. E equal to 2G into 1 plus mu, then E equal to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. Then combined relation E equal to 9kg 3K plus G. From here you can get K and E relation, E and K relation. So you take this one, here you just write 1 by m. 1 minus 2 by m. So from option you just check, आंसर इज सी. मेरे लास्ट वीडियो में एक कमेंट आया था न्यूमेरिकल के बारे में कुछ बताने के लिए. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स यू विल गेट इन अपकमिंग NHPC JEE एग्जाम. जस्ट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड simple numericals. Question is, the moduli of elasticity and rigidity of a linearly elastic isotropic material are 200 gigapascal and 80 gigapascal. What is the value of Poisson's ratio of the material? So modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus, E value given 200 gigapascal, then modulus of rigidity G given 80 gigapascal, value of Poisson's ratio of material you have to calculate. So same out of three formula you use this formula, E equal to 2G into 1 plus mu. Mu value you have to calculate. E is equal to how much? 200. 2 into G is 80. 1 plus mu. 100 you will get. So 5 by 4 equal to 1 plus mu. Mu equal to 5 by 4 minus 1. How much you will get? 0.25 or 1 by 4. Answer is C. Simple questions they will ask, formula based. Within 1 minute you can solve this type of questions. Next question, the included angle in Acme thread. Acme thread included angle is 29 degree. Answer is B. Next question, Ackermann steering gear consists of Ackermann steering gear and Davis steering gear. Both are important. Davis steering gear and Ackermann steering gear. Ackermann steering gear is turning pair and Davis steering gear is sliding pair. Both are important. Next question, when one of the links of a kinematic chain is fixed, then the chain is called. Answer is B, mechanism. If you fix one link of a kinematic chain, then you will get mechanism. Next question, the motion transmitted between the teeth of two spur gears in mesh is partial rolling and partial sliding. From option sliding, rolling, partly sliding and partly rolling. Answer is D. Fluid mechanics question. Hydrometer is used to determine specific gravity of solids, relative humidity, specific gravity of liquids. Answer is C. This is very important question. Star rated question. You have to match list 1 and list 2. In list 1, Bernoulli's equation, continuity equation, Euler's equation, then Laplace equation. For diploma level, Laplace equation is not that much important, but if you remember, it may help. In list 2, potential function, streamline, total head, conservation of momentum, conservation of mass. Bernoulli's equation, P by specific weight plus B square by 2G pressure head, velocity head and datum head, Z equal to constant. This is in terms of head. In terms of head. So you will get total head, pressure head, velocity head and datum head. So Bernoulli's equation for total head. Then continuity equation, rho 1 A1 V1 equal to rho 2 A2 V2. If fluid is incompressible, rho 1 equal to rho 2, then you will get A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. Conservation of mass. Continuity equation, conservation of mass. Then Euler's equation in differential form, dp by rho, this is P, dp by rho plus v dv plus g dz equal to 0. This is Euler's equation, this is for momentum. If you integrate Euler's equation, you will get Bernoulli's equation. Then potential function phi. For phi you will get u equal to del phi by del x, v equal to del phi by del y, w equal to in 3 dimensions del phi by del z. And for Laplace equation, del square phi by del x square plus del square phi by del y square, it's equal to 0. If Laplace equation satisfies, or if velocity function phi satisfies Laplace equation, it satisfies continuity equation and flow is possible. So from options we will check Bernoulli's equation, total head A with 3, So A not possible, B not possible. Then continuity equation, B conservation of mass, B with 5, only this option available, B with 2 not possible, B with 1. Then you can cross check C with 4, Euler's equation, 4 is conservation of momentum, correct? Then Laplace equation, potential function phi. So answer is D. This question was asked in Chhattisgarh Public Service Commission. This question is physics question. Sometimes they may ask in thermodynamics, temperature of a gas is due to its heating value, no. Kinetic energy of molecules, yes. B is correct. Next question, the absolute zero temperature is taken as absolute zero temperature. In ISRO also they ask same question. Answer is A. It's 0 degree Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. If you are appearing for ISRO technical assistant exam, then you remember this 0.15 value also. Sometimes they will ask this type of question. In option you will get 273.15 minus 273.16 minus 273 minus 272, like this options also you may get. So you have to remember this point value also, 0.15 also you remember. This is in degree Celsius, and if it is in Kelvin, then 0 degree Kelvin, absolute zero temperature. And in absolute zero temperature, gas will not occupy any volume. Next question, the work done in the expansion of a gas from volume V1 to V2 under constant pressure is how much? So constant pressure process, expansion of volume. Closed system, non-flow process, work done. So integration 1 to 2 PdV, W12 equal to integration of PdV 1 to 2. Constant pressure process, you will get integration of dV. So from option you will check, answer is B. Closed system work is always important in thermodynamics. W12 equal to integration of PdV. For isobaric process, isobaric or constant pressure process, already told, it's P into V2 minus V1. Then for isochoric process, volume is constant, W12, dV is constant, so we'll get 0. W12 equal to 0 for isochoric or constant volume process. Then for constant temperature or isothermal process, T equal to constant, W12 equal to 1 to 2 PdV, PV equal to MRT, then T is constant, P equal to MRT by V, this is V. You write MRT by dV by V, MRT into dV by V. Isothermal, so dV by V, you will get ln V, and put the limits, MRT ln V2 minus V1, sorry, ln V2 by V1, V2 by V1. Then from Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 for isothermal process. So V2 by V1 you will get P1 by P2. You write here MRT ln P1 by P2. Then for adiabatic process, W12 PdV, here Pv to the power gamma equal to constant. This one you have to apply. Finally you will get P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1, or PV equal to MRT if you write MR T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1. You just remember this one. For adiabatic process, this one you will get. And for isothermal process, this one you will get. So in this question they ask for constant pressure process. So P into V2 minus V1. If they will ask for constant volume process, then you will get 0. Next question. According to first law of thermodynamics, heat and work are mutually convertible for a cycle closed system cycle. You will get like this: summation of heat equal to summation of work, or total heat equal to total work. Heat and work are mutually convertible. Or you can write like this also: cyclic integral of dq equal to cyclic integral of dw. And for process, this one for cycle, and for process you will get q equal to dE plus dW. Heat equal to internal energy plus work. So from option you just check heat and work are mutually convertible, option 1. So this is the end of part 1. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.